Hey, what's up, guys? This video is a response to the ADA Depot. They've been very helpful providing information, and so this is the ADA MP2, and it has developed a loud humming noise. Actually, this has a noise gate right on this one, but I switch through them, you can hear the noise. So let's switch the noise gate off of that. I don't all have it. Which one is it? This one out. The noise gate's back on. So as you can see, there's a really bad noise. I'll flip through a few more. Exit out of that. Okay, and as you can see over here, the guitar's not plugged in at all, and the effects are off. So this is the noise definitely coming from the unit itself, the ADA MP2. This is from Mouser Electronics, part number 273-240K, 240K ohms, Cycon metal film resistor. It should be half a watt. Doesn't say half watt on this package. Okay, so I need to put this new resistor where the old one was, but now the holes are blocked up with solder. So I got this desoldering iron. It's supposed to suck the solder out of the holes. So now the leads will go in the holes. So I'm gonna give that a try now. Okay, I think that's in there good. Oh yeah, that's a solid connection right there. So now we'll put it back together and test it out. Okay, the MP2 is back in the rack and plugged in and hooked up. Turn it on, give it a test. Yeah, I don't hear that buzzing. Let's edit or take the noise gate off. Okay. So no more loud humming sound. Just sort of a hiss. They have some more parts coming. That hiss is probably from old capacitors that need to be replaced. Some diodes. See. Let's see, remember this one had a loud buzz too. I'll take the noise gate out. So these are all the parts for the noise mod. I'll be changing these when I get the rest of them in. I'd like to thank these guys at ADA Depot for being very helpful. Van Sin, Marshall JMP, Systematic Chaos. There you go. One of these bad boys right there. There you go. Keep rocking. Thanks a lot, brothers. And I'll be back when I finish the rest of the noise mod. Thanks a lot, man.